It's a good day today, man. You feel me? Gonna hit the motherfucking pier up, man. Go ahead and chill out. Maybe have a hot dog, take a shot, whatever the case. Yo, they hold up, pulled up on a horse, bro. These white folk crazy out there, bitch, man. Damn, bro. This shit lame as hell, man. He was like, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I popped up by myself, see what the fuck this shit was on, man. You know I'm at Central with this shit. Them boys going crazy. I really cannot get ahead. My job record's like really holding me back, bro. It's like, what up, top boy, man? You dig? You getting done right now? Good ass food.
Y'all went.
You dig? City feels good right now. Just got off work this Friday. I'm off yesterday. I mean, we need to get something to drink. Boy, this place nice as hell, man. I'm in the city, you feel me? Get me a little smoothie. Look at these cars right here, though. Them bitches crazy, though. You know, they got the old school Porsches, man. Them bitches cold. Them bitches cold, nigga. No cap, no. Them bitches cold as hell, nigga. Rap. Ooh, it's a good day today, man. You feel me? Okay, that's a good day, bro. Check this shit out. This shit nice as hell, though. Yeah, I fuck with this shit. I don't never be in Durham. It's Durham. Yeah. Shit cool. Might take a little here and there. Might take somebody a little date. A little more than a date vibe. You did. You did. Y'all see it, man. Mac and cheese busting. Smoothie busting, man. Like, man, it's just a good day, man. My car tried not to start up on me. My key fall dead as fuck, but I did. I started that bitch over again. You know what I'm saying? You know this shit get hard, right?
Let that shit ride, 88.
So, you know, I don't fuck with none of these niggas, bro. You know what I'm saying? Another job, man, that I cannot have because of my driving record. I thought it was just a forklift job. Apparently, I would have to drive a company vehicle. Guess that was what it'll be to the lots. And that's where I hit a crossroad, man, because, man, I am really losing out on a lot of fucking money, dude, because of my driving record. Like, it's getting out of hand. I really cannot get ahead. My driving record's like really holding me back, bro. It's like, damn. Every job it's got something to do with driving or something. It's just like, damn, bro. And I just drove 47 minutes for this. Just for no reason, man. Y'all look at this shit, man. Motherfucking spider on my shit, boy. Hell no, hold on. Let me focus this bitch, man. Gotta watch his ass try to jump on me, take me out, boy. Y'all can't even see that. Why the fuck that bitch will not focus? What the fuck is wrong with my camera? This nigga fucking invisible to the fucking camera, bro. Weak ass camera. What the fuck? Alright, we out. Fuck that nigga, man. Hell no. This nigga invisible to the camera, bro. What he get in for? He tried to goddamn. Oh, I feel like one of them in this whole game.
Side got a traumatized, make a true side, they outside. He's on site, won't see them bar, want more smoke than a vaporize. Ride by, hanging out the one, give them no signal like the wheel rise. But the couch social won't leave me alone, so I still phone like a 1.5. Pull up a dually truck. I got big bull. I ain't playing.
crazy, but nigga did jump shit. Look, if I try to go out there, they gonna be gone. Little rascals, man. Fucking strays, dog.
When I get on, I'm going crazy. All my cars get sued up. All y'all niggas act like hoes. I swear it's hard to trust. When I be fucking off them drugs, I swear it's hard to bust. I'm on the road in a foreign car. I'm about to.
Man, come out, see the vibes real quick, man. Yeah. Oh, fuck, it feel good to be out here, bro. It's like a random ass day, no cap. Nigga just pulled up like fuck it. It's gonna pop out this bitch thing. They had some old school shit, no cap though. Shit finna be cool, dog. UD. Yeah, man. So we gonna hit the motherfucking Pure up, man. Go ahead and chill out. Maybe have a hot dog, take a shot, whatever the case. You know what I'm saying? We got out here early, you feel me? So nigga ain't need no rest to film the video I'm trying to film. I got plenty of time to do that bitch, so. Yeah, it's so quiet out here, bro. Like, this shit feels so... Like, bro, it's quiet as hell out there, ho, man. No cap, bro. Shit feel good as hell, man. Yeah. Yo, they hoe that pulled up on a horse, bro. These white folk crazy out there, bitch, man. Damn, bro. And man, it's straight white people out here, gang. It's not one black person out here with me, bro. Like Asian folk. You know what I mean? All them folk out there white as hell, man. I mean, like, damn. The only one, cuz I promise you, the guy. And I'm in this bitch sweating, trying to boss a whip, man. Just get a double shot. Boy, they waxed me for the double shot, too, man. I need to get my ass up out there, ho. Hell no. I mean, had to hit the store real quick. I mean, yeah. Chill for a little bit. Go ahead and start filming, man. Beach place ain't got nowhere to use the bathroom and shit, man. Look, some nigga, the parking enforcement nigga pulled up beside me, man, trying to get my license plate and shit. I had to pull off on his ass, man, while I was trying to set my cameras up and shit. And then nigga circled the block, paused for a second, and then he tried to pull beside my shit, man. Pulled right off on his ass. Hell wrong with his ass, man. I am finna see what this vape shop hitting on, though. No bap, no bap.
I was trying to catch a flight before I land in jail. They said, "Lil' bro, you trippin'? Your ass dinner going up in jail." She say we got a bond, so when we fuck, I'm a bail. Bro, don't test my phone about packages, just send them through the mail. No, she ain't no op.
Ain't no competition. Gotta work on standing what I'm told. Track be a public figure. Gotta put on track be a public figure. Look into my eyes. Look. I ain't arguing with no bitches, ain't no competition with these niggas. Gotta watch what I'm saying and what I post, I'm gonna try to be a public figure. Ask her what her friends ain't not around, so me and bro decide.
Man, y'all, my tire done went flat on me, man. Y'all know I'm all the way out here at the beach, man, by myself. The motherfucker ball, but damn, I didn't think it would pop on me like that. What the fuck? I don't know why it just popped like that, bro. That shit don't even make no sense. I don't got no spare on me. I don't got another spare, so officer can't check on me, man. You gotta wait on this shit, man. This shit lame as hell. Oh, bro. This shit lame as hell, man. He was like, yeah, you in the middle of nowhere, man. It's gonna be a little while. I'm like, yeah. I figured, dog. It's tough, man. Bro, tell me why I've been sitting here for 2 hours. Whole time I had the spare tire, man. Car been on, all type of shit, bro. This shit crazy. Finna get this bitch right. This is my first time changing one by myself. I'm pulled up, man. Finna help a nigga change a tire, boy. I think I got like 2 or 3 of the nuts loose, bro. I can't get the top one or the other one loose though. I use all my strength with that bitch, man. That bitch won't come and loose, man. Shit. Come on now. Tweaking. We are all good to go. The car is back. Take it easy on the way back. Yeah, we are back in action, dude. Fuck it. Come on, man. Healthy shit, man. You dig? Don't play, man. We going crazy with the healthy shit, man. Boy, it is a nightmare trying to find a park in this bitch, boy. I tell ya. This shit crazy. You know what I'm saying? No, I popped up by myself, see what the fuck this shit was on, man. You know I'm at Central with this shit, man. Yeah. Had to see what this shit on. I ain't even want to hit none of the bros up, you feel me? I just popped up like, man, fuck that shit, man. Yeah. I got that little shit on me. Damn. Them boys going crazy. What the heck? That sounds so crazy. And it's vibrating. I ain't gonna lie, I don't even want to let that keep running. That sounds like so what up, man? Yeah, so I let my neighbor's charger that stayed on all night. I ain't really touched the car. He said it could stay on all night. It's gonna charge. Should be fully charged once it is. So it's the next morning, man. We just took the battery off. It said it was fully charged, so we're gonna go ahead and try to we'll put this back on. Start the car up, man. See what the hell that motherfucker's talking about, man. See, this shit start up though, but as y'all seen before in the other clips, man, that bitch was sounding crazy. So hopefully with the battery being fully charged now, that fixes itself, because that sounded crazy. Yeah, the door working now, the light on. Like I said, it ain't no problems with this car, so. See, it's still doing that shit. What the fuck? What the fuck? Y'all see, as soon as I yeah, there's something wrong with the car for sure. I don't know what the fuck that was, but the car is cooked, bro. Oh, man. I don't know what that could be, bro. I ain't never seen that, so we'll have to. I wish I would have got it to my mechanic on Thursday, bro. Because, I mean, that's what was supposed to happen, but we're going to drop it off Monday. Tomorrow, yeah, the car is cooked. I don't even want to mess with it no more. I'm going to just let my mechanic deal with that shit. It sound like the engine want to fucking blow. That shit sound horrible, bro. Well, yeah, man, the car got some fucking electrical issue. I could try driving it, bro, but I just do not feel comfortable driving that shit with it sounding like that, bro. I just feel like it's going to fucking like you see how it died down, like it stopped? but the car just sounded like it was like everything was off. It didn't sound like the car was on no more. So it just, I don't even want to fuck with it right now, boy. I'll probably end up getting it towed to my mechanic tomorrow morning. And yeah, that'll be that, bro. Cause hell no, that bitch was. That bitch sounded crazy. What the fuck, boy? This shit driving so crazy, bruh. I ain't never seen this.
This ain't nothing crazy uncomfortable.
That nigga getting it right, though. Bro said they're regular shit. What the fuck? So, like, but it still isn't, like, good to drive, though. Like, I'm still right for getting it towed. Like,
I mean, I don't think there's anything, like, actually mechanically wrong.
yeah, I think it just need to be reset.
It's not like if the motor's knocking, if you keep driving it, it's going to shoot a rod at the block.
Yeah. I just ain't feel comfortable driving it. I ain't know what it was going to do.
It needs a throttle relearn or the IPDM got wet or something like that. Like I said, I've had a bunch of these, but
For real?
Yeah.
You said you had one 800 horsepower? Or what you had? 350Z for 800? Damn. Oh, that bitch was pushing. Yeah, he getting it on the tow truck, though. You see how that motherfucker sounds? Shit coming out the pipes all crazy, but shit. That motherfucker getting it on there, though. Boy, what the fuck? Ooh. Got that bitch on up there. You know what he doing though. I ain't gonna lie. Hell yeah. See, I'm glad I called somebody though. This ain't something I could have did or nothing like. Boy, this nigga. Boy. That boy know what he doing. Alright man, the car is on the tow truck. Yeah, that I'm glad I called somebody, bro. Cause I mean either way it would have had to been. That would have. He knew what he was doing though. That shit, he like, oh, yeah, this is regular shit, boy. That shit, boy, I'm looking at that shit like, boy, what the fuck? That shit was crazy, like the bitch, like, and the shit just kept shutting off on the nigga. Like, I'm like, oh hell no, this bitch broke, nigga. I'm like, bro, this bitch do. What you gonna do? He like, man, that shit ain't nothing, bro. Hold on, let me drive. Well, got young guy too. He said he got like hella VQs. He got one with 800 horsepower and shit. I don't think he got it no more though.
Been down to some roaches. He jumped up in that water and that nigga started floating. I was driving the